Hello dear chess friend, today my video how to attack opponent's king with queen and knight. Like you see in position, queen and knight attacking h7 and f7 squares. Let's start see a game. That is Italian. White plays c3 and directly fight for center by playing move d4. By theory, correct move is take, say check with tempo moving, and after move knight c3, black should by theory take knight e4 because pawn under attack, it's a pin. Yeah, and next black's idea pushing d5 to attack bishop and defense knight. There is big theory here, but in this game black decided to play castle. What to play as white? If pawn still under attack, white has possibility to play e5 or d5. Yeah. And white decided play e5. Why e5? By this move we attack opponent's knight who defended kings. Black play knight e4, and why not wasting time to defend c3 knight, white play move castle. So c3 knight under attack. What to do? Take or not? In this game black decided to take this knight and then win a pawn, but I think that was wrong. On the board we have a open position, and in this type of position very important to quickly develop, fighting for center and quickly develop. So best choice was here bishop c3, take, and please little bit think, press pause and tell me what do you think. Correct answer. Play here d5, still fighting for center. By that move we fighting for center and open bishop. So white should maybe take, and after takes and for example bishop b3, white slightly better. He has little bit better center and two bishop. Yeah, that was correct way from black. After knight c3 move, that black take and bishop c3, black win a pawn, he attack rook, and black's idea, if rook move, play move d5. That is black's idea. Yeah, extra pawn so he can play d5 later, but black was wrong. Yeah, maybe he had that idea, but he don't have time for that. And white has here very strong and tactical move. Again, white not wasting tempo by moving rook, and white play move knight g5. Attack f7 and h7 with idea queen h5, and that will be a lot of attack. Black take the rook, but black has moved also d5 again to finish develop. But for now that was not works, because after take queen d6, please press pause and think questions what you will to play. Answer. After queen d3 there is double attack. We want to make checkmate or win a bishop. For example, after move g6 we just take queen c3 and have winning position. Yeah, black decided to take bishop a1, queen h5, that was our idea, h6. Questions, what you will to play here? Answer. f7 pawn by 3 attack, but best always take by knight. Of course bishop f7 also was possible, but when you see this type of position always look first knight f7. Why knight f7? We not only take a pawn, we attack a queen, and because a bishop stay here we also want to make double check and mate. In this position black has only one way here to defend himself, that is take rook. Because for example if queen is 7, we just say check for any move, because it was double check, again check, again double check, and after king g8 mate. That's finished. That's why after knight f7 main idea from black, that is take. Queen f7 check, And after king h7, one move and black resign. What it move? Please think. Correct answer. In this type of position, first of all, we look bishop h6, sacrifice, right? Because we are pieces down, so we should do something. But next move was playing white. That was very and very beautiful. That move was bishop g5. We attack a queen, and that is winning. Queen no have moved to escape. All that squares is under attack. Queen h8, it will be made from here. Okay, so what to do? If he take by pawn this bishop, it will be queen h5 mate. King can't move. And if he take queen g5, it's still bishop d3 check. And after king h8, it will be mate. Yep. So, by that move, white win a game. Why black lost? Because instead of development, he decided to take a pawn. In open position like Italian, it should be played very quickly, developed pieces, fighting for center. Black broke these rules, and that's why black lost. Next game very interesting. Please press pause. Think about this position, what to play. Evaluate position and tell me move. I'm like on lesson. Not need tell me move, just think about that. Okay, so answer. That position looks like white's better. White has better development, right? White is ready for attack, but white better development. This is temporary, right? So white also have a weaknesses. It's a d4 pawn. This is real weak. It's this is isolated pawns. So if white will not do something special, for example, if white play something like h3, black will develop, for example. Then he developed bishop with idea exchange, because bishop on c4 was very strong in attack f7. And after a rook d8, rook e8, for example, or double up rook, black will be better, because white no have real attack here. Black already developed pieces, and white still have isolated pawn on d4, so that position is worse. Instead of that, white play knight g5. It was game of Faraga Belikov in 1984. So knight g5, attack h7 pawn. Black play knight f6. Black play knight f6 to defense. Questions: what you will to play? Answer: rook f3, attack knight. He defended h7 squares, so we want to destroy knight and then mate. And you see, during the attack we bring pieces to king, right? We bring pieces to checkmated king. If you want to have successful attack, bring more pieces. Black play g6. Now white change destination and start attack f7 pawn. F7 pawn under attack. Black play knight d5. If queen e7 to defense, unfortunately for black, they're lost. They're lost because here white has a tactics. Please little bit think and find tactics. Answer. Here is after knight f7, take bishop f7, and because that's his pin, we can take knight and we win material. We have a two rooks against rook and bishop, with winning position. That's why black play knight d5. He closed the bishop. Knight e4, very strong move, attacking queen, and then bishop d5 and knight f6 check. So like you see, white knight stay on f6. It's very strong. Questions: how to continue attack? Correct answer. If white take knight d5, that is badly. Like minimum, opponent can play bishop e6. It's a pin. Knight can be lost. Second possibility, take queen d5. After take. Yes, white won a pawn, but first, Black has some compensation after rook d8, that is one. Second, one pawn is not enough for so strong attack, so that is not so nice. White pieces very strong, white pieces attacking black king, so let's take more. And in this position, very good move here is queen e3. Why queen e3? For successful attack, we should bring a queen, right? Because queen on b3, nothing to do. So idea queen e5 and mate then open check. For example, if queen d6, to prevent that, it will be knight d8, and after double attack, taken queen e8. White with the material, also pin he can't develop, then also rook f7, so position is winning. Okay, so after queen e3, black no have good choice because next move is queen e5 and black king will be under big danger. Black decided to play h5 and after queen e5 play king h6. Questions: what you will to play? Answer: now in this position where opponent king is so weak and he going to h6, we have many pieces near black king, so look at tactics. So after beautiful move knight h5, black will be checkmate. Why? If take after rook f6 check, for example king g7, that will be mate, check and mate, that's it. So take is not good, but if bishop g4 to attack, there is also mate, if you can find it. Checkmate in few moves. Queen g7 check, queen h7 check, and then h4 with a finished game. So in this game we saw two positions where black king, in the first game black have undeveloped pieces and he was checkmated. In second it was two. So development is very important, but for successful attack, as when we look at this position as white, we should bring more pieces and make weaknesses in opponent king's position. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe, push like and write your comments. Thank you and bye bye.